What's your name? Come and talk to us.
Surprisingly.
Surprisingly.
Yeah.
We're not here to harm you in any way. We have had a request from the owner to come and ask him questions and verify.
Disputed.
What?
Disputed.
Disputed. Is there a dispute going on? Are you not happy with them moving around things? Are you here with us? Right, so this is the equipment, piece of equipment that refuses to work in this location. It belongs to this machine. They've been trying to calibrate it for weeks. It's just not happening. So the owners wanted us to check out if anything paranormal is going on.
Anybody here that requires help with something?
We can use our technology to help you. What would you like to say? Trick. What?
Trick.
Trick. Trick. I'm tricking you. Are you trying to trick us?
Is there anybody here? Is there anybody that wants to communicate with me? Is it you interfering with the spirit box?
Sure, they're very nuts here. This is just nuts.
Coming.
Where are you? Where are you coming from? Where are you now?
I hear a voice, but it feels like it's so far back.
Are you still on the battlefield?
Do it something. Do it something.
Where are you standing now?
Yo, that was a weird one.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
Come on.
We are all here. We're waiting for you to come to us.
You.
Oh, me. What about me?
Coming. I keep on hearing coming, like it's...
Can you make it not the sound person? Can you do something for us?
Good.
I heard him.
Yeah, that was a whole sentence. Scared. Scared. Scared.
Are you scared of us? You know, I tried to say something that I might understand because I had actually a conversation. Remember when I was on the spirit box, I said once, as I said, it's like there's a conversation going, but I don't understand the language. It's like like blabbing in my freaking ears.
Alright, experiencing some odd activity on this side. Henny and Stefan both felt like when they're here alone they don't want to be here. So I'm just gonna... Oh! You can definitely feel it, there's definitely something here. My whole body's ridden with goosebumps now. Is there anybody here? Is there anybody who wants to make contact with us? Give a message? Can you maybe knock on one of those green chairs? Just give me an indication of your whereabouts. Can you say that again? Hello? Is there anybody here in the square? You don't like them digging here, why? Okay, I'm getting responses, but I can't hear very clearly. You don't want them to dig in the square. Is there something buried in the square? It's hard to draw a conclusion as we were severely hampered by the extreme weather conditions. Well, what do you guys think? Leave us a comment below and hit that like button if you'd like to see us reinvestigate this location. And if you do like more paranormal South African content, go check out the Upside Down Adventures on their YouTube channel. Check out the link in the description below.